Hello students, welcome in English class. Today we will start with the first chapter, The Summer of Beautiful White Horse. So this story is about the two boys. Here you are seeing in picture there are two boys. One is Aram and second one is Murad. Aram is the narrator of the story and Murad is his cousin brother. So there are two Armenian boys, the narrator and his cousin Murad. His cousin was 13 years old and Aram was 9 years old when this incident took place in their life. And they belong to Garoglian tribe and their tribe is famous for their honesty. So they are well known for their honesty and their tribe was also famous for honesty. They belong to very poor tribe, but still they are known for their honest work. Both the boys have an intense longing to ride a horse. Both they love to horse riding, but they were very poor, so they can't afford to buy a horse. So here the story starts. What happened once when the narrator was just 9 years old? He was sleeping in his room. At 4 o'clock in the morning, he just hears a tap on the window. He looked outside. It was Murad who was standing outside on a beautiful white horse. The narrator was surprised to see his brother on horse because he could not believe what he saw. He knew that Murad could not buy a horse because they were extremely poor and they get two square meals with very difficulty, so it's impossible for them to buy a horse. And their tribe is also famous for honesty, so he could not have stolen the horse. So it was a little bit surprising for the narrator that from where did Murad had bought this horse. When he asked Murad about the horse, Murad just told him to come out and have a ride on the horse. So the narrator was convinced that definitely he had stolen the horse. That's why he was hiding something from him. Then narrator compared his cousin brother with his uncle, Uncle Khushro, another character in this story. Here you are seeing one picture, a man with big mustache, that is Uncle Khushro. So he compares his brother with his uncle, that his cousin brother Murad is as crazy as his uncle. So now I want to tell you something about Uncle Khushro. Uncle Khushro is very furious, impatient and irritable. He roared for everyone to stop talking. When anybody said him anything, he just told them to, it's no harm, pay no attention to it. It was his pet line. One day, his son came to him and told that our house is on fire. But Uncle Khushro said, enough, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. So, we can say that Uncle Khushro is a very crazy person, and he also compared his cousin brother Murad with Uncle Khushro, that he is as crazy as his uncle. So now here the narrator make a difference between stealing the horse and money. When he asked Murad that he had stolen the horse, then Murad replied that he had not stolen the horse, because if we stole anything for money, that thing we can call that it's stealing. But he had taken the horse just for riding, so he had not stolen the horse. In this way, Murad, with his childlike innocence and simplicity, just make it clear that he had not stolen the horse, he had just taken it for riding. Because both the boys are crazy for horses, that's why narrator also agreed with his brother. Now, next they started riding on the horse. First Aram invite to ride. First Murad ride and then he invited Aram for riding. Both they enjoyed their ride in the country. There were vineyards, orchards, irrigation ditches, country roads. Murad sang rather wrote. He was singing rather than wrote. Murad wanted to ride alone, so Murad ride alone. He kicked his heels into the horse, shouted, "Wazire, run!"